Welcome back to Task to Coin. I'm here today, and today we're diving into the future of making money online with AI. I know AI can sound intimidating, but this guide is for absolute beginners. No experience needed. Forget the tired old side hustles. I'm sharing 5 unique, trending, and easy ways to earn real money using AI. They're practical, creative, and perfect for anyone starting out. Whether you want a side hustle or a full-time online career, this is your sign to get started. Grab your coffee, get comfy, and maybe take some notes, because we're about to break down everything from content creation to selling products, all powered by AI. The goal: empower you to take control of your financial future. Ready to turn your tasks into coins? Let's get started. First up, selling AI-generated ebooks on Amazon KDP. This platform is a game changer for aspiring authors. KDP lets anyone publish and sell ebooks, regardless of their background or experience. To millions, a global audience hungry for new content, creating a source of passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep, all thanks to your published ebooks. Not a writer? No problem. You don't need to be a seasoned novelist to make this work. AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper, powerful writing assistants, can generate entire books for you, handling the heavy lifting of writing. Just give them a topic, provide a clear and concise prompt, and watch the AI work its magic. Start by picking a niche, a specific area of interest that you want to focus on. People are searching for. Identify topics with high demand and low competition. Self-help, offering guidance and solutions to personal challenges. Finance, providing insights into money management and investment strategies. Romance, captivating readers with tales of love and relationships. Children's books, entertaining and educating young minds with engaging stories. Cookbooks, sharing culinary delights and recipes. These are all gold mines. These niches consistently attract readers and offer significant earning potential. Use your AI tool, your digital writing assistant, to generate chapters and content. Structure your book and let the AI fill in the details. You're the creative director, guiding the AI and shaping the final product. The AI is your fast typist. It handles the repetitive tasks, freeing you to focus on the creative aspects. Don't just copy-paste. Simply using the AI's output without any modification is a recipe for disaster. Edit, add your own stories, inject your personality and unique perspective, and make sure the book flows well. Ensure a smooth and engaging reading experience for your audience. Your human touch, your unique voice and perspective is what makes it stand out. It's what differentiates your book from the countless others out there. For the cover, the first thing readers see, use AI art generators. These tools can create stunning visuals with simple prompts, like Midjourney, known for its artistic and surreal outputs, or DALL-E, which excels at creating realistic and imaginative images. To create eye-catching designs, covers that grab attention and entice readers to learn more. In seconds. No need to spend hours or hire a professional designer. Put it all together in Canva, a user-friendly design platform using their ebook templates. Pre-designed layouts that make formatting a breeze. No design skills needed. Canva's intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to create professional-looking ebooks. Once your manuscript and cover are ready, the final steps are within reach. Create a free KDP account, a simple and straightforward process. Upload your files, your manuscript and cover design. Write a compelling description, a sales pitch that captures the essence of your book. AI can help here too. Use AI to generate different versions and find the most effective one, and set your price. Consider your target audience and the value you're offering. Amazon pays up to 70% royalty, a generous share of the revenue for each sale, per sale. This high royalty rate makes KDP an attractive platform for authors. Publish regularly, maintain a consistent publishing schedule to build a portfolio, a collection of ebooks that showcase your expertise and attract readers, and grow your passive income. The more books you publish, the more opportunities you have to earn. Consistency is key. The more consistently you publish, the more likely you are to see results. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Building a successful passive income stream takes time and effort. The more books you have, the more opportunities you create for readers to discover your work, the more you earn. Each book acts as a digital asset, generating income over time. Focus on a niche. Establish yourself as an authority in a specific area. Become the go-to author, the trusted source of information and entertainment, and watch your sales snowball. As your reputation grows, so will your earnings. Your action plan. A clear roadmap to becoming a best-selling author. Pick a niche. Identify a profitable and engaging topic. Use AI for content and cover. Leverage the power of AI to streamline the writing and design process. Format in Canva. Create a professional and visually appealing ebook. And publish on KDP. Launch your book to a global audience and start earning passive income. You can become a published author, achieving a significant milestone in your writing journey in days, not months. The speed and efficiency of AI-powered publishing is truly remarkable. This is perfect for introverts, those who prefer to work independently and quietly, or anyone who wants to create, share their ideas, and build a passive income stream quietly behind the scenes. You can build a successful publishing business from the comfort of your own home. Each book is a digital asset, a valuable piece of intellectual property, earning for you 24/7. Your ebooks are always available for purchase, generating income around the clock. Imagine waking up to sales, checking your KDP dashboard, and seeing the earnings you made overnight. You made while sleeping. A truly rewarding experience. That's the power of AI and Amazon. A powerful combination that can transform your writing dreams into reality. Don't just dream about passive income. Take control of your financial future. Start building it. The time to act is now. The future of content creation is here, and it's more accessible than ever before, and you can be at the forefront. Embrace the power of AI and become a pioneer in the world of digital publishing. So, what are you waiting for? The opportunity to become a best-selling author is within your reach. Your best-selling author journey, your path to success and recognition, is just a few prompts away. Start experimenting with AI and see what you can create. Let's move on to the next method. Method 2 is for anyone, especially those who might feel a little camera shy or prefer to keep a lower profile. Who wants to be a YouTube star, build a community, and share their passions with the world, without ever showing your face. It's about leveraging your creativity and knowledge, not your appearance. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding, proving that content truly is king. In niches like history, where compelling narratives and accurate information are key, psychology, delving into the complexities of the human mind and behavior, meditation, offering guidance and techniques for mindfulness and inner peace, and top 10 lists, which are always a hit for their engaging and easily digestible format. The formula, while simple in concept, requires a strategic approach. Valuable content that genuinely helps or entertains your audience. Stock footage or animations to visually enhance your storytelling. And a compelling voiceover that captivates listeners and keeps them engaged, all powered by AI. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing content creation, making it more accessible than ever. Start with a script, the backbone of any great video. Use ChatGPT to write engaging storytelling scripts that resonate with your target audience for your chosen topic. Make sure it's something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Don't like recording your voice? No problem. Use AI voice generators like Murph.ai, which offer a range of voices to choose from, or 11 Labs, known for its incredibly realistic and expressive AI voices, for realistic human-sounding narration. These tools are constantly improving, making it harder to distinguish AI from human voices. For visuals, AI video tools like Pictory.ai, which can turn your scripts into engaging videos in minutes, or InVideo, offering a wide array of templates and customization options. Automatically match your script with relevant stock footage and images. This saves you countless hours of searching and editing. Edit, add text overlays, and customize to fit your channel style. Consistency and branding is key to building recognition. The workflow is streamlined and efficient. AI writes the script, freeing you from writer's block. Another AI does the voiceover, providing professional quality narration without the need for expensive equipment. And a third assembles the video, saving you time and effort on the technical aspects. You're the creative director, guiding the AI tools to bring your vision to life. This lets you produce high-quality videos quickly and consistently, a crucial factor for success on YouTube. Perfect for growing your channel fast. The more you post, the more opportunities you have to attract new viewers. Once you hit YouTube's requirements 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize with ads. This is where your hard work starts to pay off. You can also earn through affiliate marketing by recommending products in your descriptions. Choose products that are relevant to your niche and that you genuinely believe in. The best part? You can run multiple channels in different niches, expanding your reach and potential audience, diversifying your income. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Each channel is a digital asset that grows over time. The more content you create, the more valuable your channel becomes. You don't need a fancy camera or to be on screen, just good ideas and the right AI tools. It's about being smart and resourceful. If you've been putting off YouTube because of camera shyness, this is your green light. There's never been a better time to start a faceless YouTube channel. Start today with just your laptop and internet connection. The barrier to entry is incredibly low. Pick a niche, let AI help with creation, and share your knowledge with the world. You never know who you might inspire or help. Some faceless channels make tens of thousands a month. It's all about consistency and quality. These are the two pillars of success on YouTube. You're building evergreen content that earns for years. This is the beauty of creating content online. The opportunity is massive, don't miss out. Take action today and start building your faceless YouTube empire. Method 3 is tailor-made for anyone who wants to start earning fast, and I mean really fast. It's all about freelancing with AI, harnessing the power of AI on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Now remember, AI doesn't replace your skills. It supercharges them, amplifying your capabilities, letting you deliver more, much more, in less time. Offer in-demand services like copywriting, a skill always in high demand. Use ChatGPT to generate blog posts, website copy, or engaging social media captions, all in minutes. Your job. Edit, fact-check meticulously, and add your client's unique voice and style. The AI does the heavy lifting, taking care of the initial groundwork. You polish it to absolute perfection, adding that human touch. Deliver high-quality work quickly and efficiently. Get great reviews, building a solid reputation, and attract more clients, expanding your freelance empire. Not a designer? No problem at all. Use Canva and AI, a powerful combination, to offer graphic design services, even without prior experience. Create stunning Instagram posts, professional logos, or captivating presentations with ease and speed. Use ChatGPT for brainstorming content ideas, and Canva for bringing those ideas to life with stunning visuals. You can create a month's worth of engaging social media content in just a few hours. Expand your services and diversify your offerings. Resume writing, professional presentation design, even video editing, with AI tools that handle subtitles or even suggest relevant B-roll footage. The key to unlocking freelancing success is consistently delivering both speed and exceptional quality. And AI empowers you to deliver both effortlessly. Price your services competitively in the market, and ultimately, make more per hour than you ever thought possible. Start by creating a compelling profile on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Brainstorm a list of services you can offer with the assistance of AI tools, and create attractive gigs that stand out from the crowd. Over-deliver for your first few clients. Go the extra mile to get those glowing 5-star reviews that everyone loves to see, and boost your profile's visibility in the platform's search results. Soon enough, you'll have a steady stream of happy clients and a thriving, sustainable freelance business that provides consistent income. Even if you're just starting out on your freelance journey, your new most valuable skill? Leveraging the power of AI to work smarter, not harder, and build your freelance empire. Method 4 is for the creatives. Selling AI-designed t-shirts and merch on Merch by Amazon. Print on demand means no inventory, no shipping, no risk. You create the design, Amazon does the rest. Not an artist? Use AI art generators like Midjourney or DALL-E to create unique, professional quality designs from simple prompts. Find a niche. Think specific passions, hobbies, or communities. The more targeted, the better. Use Google Trends or browse Amazon to spot what's popular. Create dozens of design variations in an afternoon. AI makes it fast and easy. Clean up your designs in Photopea or Photoshop. Make sure they're high-res and save as transparent PNGs. Upload to Merch by Amazon. Write catchy titles and descriptions. ChatGPT can help. And set your price. As you make sales, Amazon lets you upload more designs. Build a big portfolio across many niches. Each design is a digital asset earning for you passively. Some will sell occasionally. Others could become bestsellers. It all adds up to a significant monthly income. This is a low-risk, creative way to get into e-commerce. No art skills required, just imagination and AI. Start dreaming up your next big design. Method 5 is for the organization lovers. Creating and selling Notion templates with AI's help. Notion is a popular all-in-one workspace, but many find it overwhelming to set up. There's a huge market for pre-made templates that solve specific problems. People will pay for clarity and structure. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm and structure your template. Ask for ideas for a YouTuber dashboard, a student planner, or a finance tracker. The AI gives you a blueprint. You build it in Notion, adding databases, properties, and a user-friendly layout. Make it visually appealing with icons, banners, and callouts. Sell your templates on Gumroad or Etsy. Upload your duplicatable Notion link, set your price, and create a beautiful listing. Use Canva for mockups and ChatGPT for compelling sales copy. Once listed, templates can sell over and over. True passive income. Drive traffic through social media or a productivity blog. Every problem that can be organized is a potential template idea. Monetize your love for systems and help others get organized. AI makes it faster and easier than ever. There you have it. 5 powerful beginner-friendly ways to make money online in 2025 using AI. From ebooks and YouTube to freelancing, merch, and digital products, the opportunities are endless. The tools are more accessible than ever. Now it's your turn to take action. Don't just watch. Pick a method and start today. Progress beats perfection. Tell me in the comments which method you're most excited to try. If you want more smart hustle guides, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching Task to Coin. Turn your tasks into coins. Go get 'em.